Are you searching for a more affordable housing option, another income stream, or a way to live more sustainably to help the planet? Then a tiny home might be exactly what you're looking for. The concept of tiny homes as part of sustainable living is becoming increasingly popular as more homeowners look for ways to reduce their cost of living and ecological footprint. A tiny home, or tiny house, is typically defined as a dwelling with a floor area up to 50 meters squared and can be categorized into three main groups. 1. A tiny house built on a trailer which provides the flexibility to travel. 2. A tiny house built on a temporary foundation such as beams or rails. It can also be transported but requires a large truck and trailer. 3. A tiny house built on a foundation which is permanently in the ground and similar to a traditional house. Tiny homes provide various advantages over traditional homes, including minimalist living, financial benefits, mobility, mental health and wellness, and environmental benefits. Whilst other recreational vehicles such as camping trailers can sacrifice year-round comfort and aesthetics, tiny homes provide the home feel atmosphere with year-round comfort from the weather and customization. With the steady growth in market demand, tiny homes are becoming more accessible. It is crucial for prospective owners to understand the design limitations and considerations before self-building or purchasing a tiny home from a professional builder. Access to amenities and services, as well as the construction and material requirements, are significantly different than for a traditional house. Living in a tiny home is also not for everyone, as many aspects must be considered to ensure that the tiny house will meet your wants and needs. Tiny Homes and Sustainable Living from GSES is an online course that will give you essential knowledge of how to design and build a tiny home. The course content includes the benefits of living in a tiny home, design considerations including location, budget, transporting, and regulation requirements, how to access utilities and services, construction materials and key factors to consider for each component, and advice for transitioning to a tiny home. This course is for anyone that wants to learn the fundamentals of tiny homes and sustainable living. In particular, those who are exploring the notion of building or living in a tiny home, whether in a DIY setting or by a professional, will gain invaluable knowledge from this course. This course is estimated to take 4 hours to complete. It is self-paced and has an access duration of 1 year. The delivery method is online via written material, videos, and quizzes. This course has no prerequisites. Students that complete the course successfully will receive a certificate of completion. Global Sustainable Energy Solutions has been providing global training since 1998 and offers short courses as well as Australian nationally recognized training in renewable energy. You can see all of our courses on our website at www.gses.com.au.